Hey guys, and welcome to Grammar. We are on week 9, lesson 4. Happy Thursday. Hope things are going well so far. Start off by putting your name on your paper right here where it says name. You just click and type. Once you're done with that, we're talking about using commas between things. So I'm going to go through all the rules, and then you're going to proofread and add commas where it is needed. Combine sentences when needed, and then you are finished. Use a comma between the day and year and a date. So whenever you have a date like September 24th, comma, 1992. Use a comma between the names of a city or town. So Sicklerville, comma, New Jersey. And a state. So let's say it was Sicklerville, comma, New Jersey. Again. And between the names of a street address, a town, and a state. So if I said 222 North Avenue, comma, Sicklerville, comma, New Jersey. Use commas to separate 3 or more words in a series. Do not use a comma after the last word. So it would be like, I like to eat hot dogs, comma, cheeseburgers, comma, spaghetti, and fruit roll-ups. Weird combination, but those are all yummy. So that would be your commas in a list. And then use a comma after the name of a person being spoken to, like Mr. Hester, comma, can you help me? Or if you were going to say yes or no, yes, comma, I can help you. So those are some examples. Where possible, combine the sentences and using and delete the repeated words. Add commas in all the correct places. So this first one's done for us. So I'm just going to review it. Let's take a look at what it says. Where is my pen tool? My pen tool's disappeared. 1 second. Oof. There you are. I see you. You're on the wrong page. All right, so we have our teacher reads the stories. Our teacher reads the poems, or read the stories and read the poems. So our teacher is repeated. So this hour goes away, this teacher goes away, read goes away, the goes away. They're all repeated words, so they go away. Then this period has to go away because we're going to add and. Our teacher read the stories and poems. You don't have to repeat the because it's already here. So the stories and poems. Our teacher read the stories and poems would be our final answer. Now here you can see it's one sentence. So we're just going to be looking at adding commas. So looking at the rules, my grandmother moved to 68 Palm Court, Sunnydale, Florida. So think of where I'm saying my breaks, and that's where you're going to need your commas. So as we read it, listen. My grandmother moved to 68 Palm Court, Sunnydale, Florida. And those are where your commas go between the street address, the city, and state. Coming down, number 3. Miss Stamps, thank you. Miss Stamps, thank you for visiting our school today. So think of where the break happened. Miss Stamps, thank you for visiting our school today. It's kind of like Mr. Hester, comma, can you help me? Number 4. James likes to draw spaceships. James likes to draw robots. Take out any repeated words and use and. The first time our town had a parade was July 4th, 1892. Think of where the break came in, and that's where a comma goes. The first time our town had a parade was July 4th, 1892. The break happens in the date, and it's after the date and before the year. So between the day and year is when you put in the comma. And that's today's grammar assignment. I hope this went smoothly for you. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me on GoGuardian or on Zoom. Palm it.